Let's see how close we can get Kylie Jenner from her video still to her filtered Instagram picture. So first we're going to change her chin, clearly some filler or some photo manipulation there. We're going to tuck it back into place, no problem. Now let's take a peek at her lips. We want to make sure that we drop her Cupid's bow back into place. As you can tell by the video still we showed earlier, this photo has been manipulated to increase her Cupid's bow. So we want to put it back to where it is naturally in the video. Great. And it looks like whoever touched up her photo increased the arch of her eyebrow. So we want to make sure we bring that back down to a more normal position. Did you know you can actually get an eyebrow arch using Botox brow lift or a PDO thread lift? But comparing her video still from earlier in the video, looks like it was done in Photoshop. Next, let's soften out her insanely sharp jawline, which again, if you take a peek at the video still from earlier, you can see that she's got a much rounder face on video. So it looks like the Photoshop image posted here was manipulated to give her a more defined jaw, which doesn't exist in the video stills. So let's take care of that as well. Clearly in the Photoshopped image compared to the video still, we're seeing a lot of contour that was added in Photoshop. So we're just gonna remove that digitally added contour to kind of make her face appear more realistic. Also, her nose has some highlighter on it. We want to get rid of that as well. We'll leave a little bit because it is natural to have some natural nose highlight. Looks like she was bronzed in the Photoshopped image, so we want to take down the saturation just a little bit. Give her more of a skin tone that's more reflective of what the video was. Looks like I want to throw some nasolabial folds back in, add some shadows to this area. Again, looking at the video still, it looks like these were digitally removed later. I'm not seeing any false eyelashes in the video still either, so I'm going to remove her false eyelashes. And last but not least, I want to add a couple pores because we have to remember that pores are normal and make us human, and they're good for cleaning out and keeping your body temperature regulated. So nobody lives without pores, so let's throw some on here as well. It's not perfect, but at least we're closer to what she looked like in the video still. Just remember, Photoshopped images hurt young girls trying to obtain unobtainable results.